morning, and right now I'm at Genting Highlands. We had a really late night last night. I'm extremely swollen right now, but I still decided to wake up and get my get ready with me done because I promised myself to film something when I'm here. The step is to apply lip balm. Here I'm using the Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm, and I really like this lip balm because it applies like a gloss. It's so cute. Next step is primer, and today I'm using the hydrating primer from Makeup Forever. Aiden and Noah is still sleeping. That's why I'm trying to speak really softly, so they're gonna scold me. Just now I opened the door very loudly and Aiden scolded me already. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Clio Q Cover Conceal Cushion, and this is in the shade Lingerie. Really, I'm so tired. I don't even know why I'm filming Get Ready With Me. Okay, next I'm gonna be applying my concealer. It is from Fenty Beauty and it's the Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer. So it's like a very bright yellowish highlighting shade. How bright it is. I use it on my under eye and my chin to brighten up the area. Okay, next I'll be using my favorite concealer, the Sam Tip Concealer. Okay, next to set my makeup, I'll be using the Skinfood Gold Caviar Moist Fitting Cake. It's just a compact powder. As always, using my Guerlain Meteorites Compact, set the rest of my makeup and dust off the excess powder from the concealed area just now. I need to get a new compact again. This is like my second heat pen, and recently for some reason my concealer I like to wear off like that after I set my makeup, so I like to go in with another round of concealer using the Boeing Industrial Strength Concealer from Benefit and a very small tip concealer brush. So I load it up a lot and then just tap it on the spots that I want to conceal. I think I probably lost my voice also. Half my voice is gone. Right after this Genting trip, when I go back to Singapore, the next morning, I'll be flying off to Taiwan for work. Good luck to me. Okay, now that I'm done with my base, let me put on my contact lens and come back to you in a short while. Hi, I'm back with contact lens on. Do I look different now? Let's move on to drawing my non-existent brows. Okay, so the brow pencil that I brought today is the XL one, and this is in the shade PD01. Because my eyes is a bit swollen today, so I guess I'm gonna make an arc to lift up my face a little. I am swollen. It's okay when your brows don't look the same because brows are meant to be sisters but not twins. And they are also not meant to be distant relatives, so don't make them look super different. So recently, after drawing my eyebrows with the brow pencil, I like to go in with a liquid type brow pen to just, draw some feathery strokes so it looks like real hair. I like to fill up the front with this kind of lines. So just draw upwards. Okay, now it's time to contour my nose. I'm gonna be using Wedge again with 224 MAC, and here downwards. Contouring my nose is extremely important on days like that when you're super swollen because it makes such a huge difference. Oh. Oops! The trick is to make sure that you fill up this area around your eye, this hollow area, before you go downwards. It helps to make your nose look slimmer, narrower, and of course less swollen. A bit on the tip so that it's accentuated. Since my eyes are a bit swollen today, I'm gonna bring it into my eyes as well. Just a bit. Zoom you in. Okay, so like I said, I brought the berry tone eyeshadow because I wanted to create some berry pink tone kind of eyeshadow. Although the state of my eyes is not suited for that today, I'm still going to try it and hope for the best that it will not look too swollen. I have this palette with me. This is from Excel, and the great thing is this is not too pinkish. It's still a bit brownish and like burgundy kind of vibe. So okay, so here I'm using this eyeshadow brush. It is a huge eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. Pink tone here all over my eyelid. Taking a smaller eyeshadow brush. This is from Makeup Forever 016 and the same shade. Okay, next I'm using this Laneige large eyeshadow brush and picking the second darkest shade, applying it on the outer corner, and also taking it into the inner corner as well. So using the small eyeshadow brush just now. Using the blending brush, just blend it out. Okay, so now using a smaller eyeshadow brush, the darkest shade in the palette. And also bring it downwards. Alright, so using the lightest shade, pop it in the center as always. Okay, because my eyes are a bit swollen, right? So I want to darken this area more. I'm gonna be using this second shade again and just bring the shade inwards over here. Okay, so we need some glow on the eyes. So I'm gonna be using this highlighter from PUFFY by Petra in Delicate Dew, using the pinkish one. I know a lot of people say less is more, but on days when you really need to cover up something, you gotta, you know, use more things to distract. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this 3CE Maison Kitsune Eye Switch in the shade Petal. This is super glittery and I usually use it just under my eye, but today I'm gonna be using it on my eyelid. The same for the other eye. Then on my under eye. Okay, I'm done with the eyeshadow finally, and distraction method 2.0, wing out my eyeliner. Here I am using the Love Liner Liquid. This is a brown shade. Okay, so next we'll be using the Clear Professional Cacao Brown Gel Liner. This is distraction method 3.0. So when you darken your eyes, it looks more deep set. That means no more puffy eyes. Illusion, okay? So just gonna be filling up my waterline, the inner corner of my eyes. And then I will take it off slightly on the entire rim. Trust me, it makes quite a bit of difference. And very important step, mascara.
Good evening everyone, the highlights of the news this Thursday.
Hey guys, I think I'm a very unprofessional YouTuber because I maxed out on my SD card memory space, and so now I'm using my iPhone to film the last part of my Get Ready With Me. I am so sorry about that, but so I was at my mascara. I feel so sad right now, guys. This is the first time ever that this sort of thing has happened to me. I mean, curl my lashes and then mascara. So I'm using Heroin Make. So upset, like my SD card is full, right? And I have so many things that I need to shoot. I basically have no more space. So now for blusher, I'm using the Excel blusher. This is the coral shade. And using the PUFFY by Petra highlighter just now. And I'm using the Fenty Beauty In the Sun Sunstalker bronzer. Shade my face. And this is also the Fenty Beauty bronzer brush. And I am ending off my look with this amazing lip tint. So in Get Ready With Me in Shanghai, I actually told you I'm going to be showing you this tint very soon, and this is the tint that I really like using now. This is from Mersey and the shade is V6 Firenze Negroni. So usually I don't really like to use lip tint because it gets into the cracks, right? But this is like a velvet tint, so it doesn't get into the crack. And the shade is gorgeous. Use a tissue and blend it out. And you gotta always end off with a spray, so I'm using the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. And I'm done with my look. Clearly, I'm using my iPhone to film this thing. It's kind of sad. No more space in my camera. Yeah, so sorry for the sudden accident, but you know, accidents do happen and you just gotta live with it and move on with life. So yeah, so this is the look for today and I hope you like it as always. Thank you so much for watching my video and I'll see you guys really soon.